Hello and welcome to another edition of Brain Maths. In this video, we want to look at these simple exponential equations on the board. We have treated the laws of indices, where we were taught how to handle anything with index power. Any figure given to us that is having a power, how do we take care of them, has been treated. This question number 1 says x raised to power 1 over 3 equals to 5. Now, if we are to approach this, we can rewrite this x raised to power 1 over 3 as the cube root of x, which is equal to 5. And we are trying to eliminate this cube root to get the value of x. So in that case, we have to introduce the power of 3 cube to both sides in order to eliminate these cube roots on this side. So we are left with x, and that is going to give us 5 raised to power 3, which is the same thing as 5 times 5 times 5, if you don't forget, and that is going to give us 125. Question number 2 says 5 raised to power 2x minus 4 equals to 25 raised to power minus x minus 8. Now, looking at this question number 2, you'll see that we have a power of 5 on this side, but on the other side, we are having only 25. So we need to balance their base numbers. If this is 5, this has to be 5. If this is 25, this has to be 25. But there is no way we can write 5 as 25, but we can write 25 as power of 5 having a power of 2. So we say 5 raised to power 2x minus 4 equals 25 itself is 5 raised to power 2 multiplying minus 8 and minus x. So this will lead us to 5 raised to power 2x minus 4 equals to 5 raised to power 2 times minus x minus 2x 2 times minus 8 minus 16. So since the two of them are having the same base numbers, then we can eliminate both the base numbers, leaving us with 2x minus 4 equals minus 2x minus 16. So in this case, we are going to collect like times. We are bringing the negative 2x to this side and the negative 4 to the other side. So we have 2x minus 2x. When it comes to the other side, it becomes plus 2x, which is equals to, we have a negative 16 on this side. When a negative 4 goes there, it becomes a positive 4. So this 2 becomes 4x, which is equals minus 16 plus 4. That will give us minus 12. So we are trying to eliminate the coefficient of x, which is 4, to get the value of x. So we divide both sides by the coefficients. 4 is gone, and we are left with x equals, how many 4 can we get in 12? 3, and that is minus 3. Question number 3 says 4 raised to power x equals 16. On the left hand side, we have 4 raised to power x, and on the right hand side, we have 16. So how do we write 16 to look like this? So we think of how many times we are going to multiply 4 by itself to get 16, and that is 4 raised to power 2. So we have 4 raised to power x on the left and 4 raised to power 2 on the right. The two of them are having the same base numbers, so they can go by elimination, and we have x equals to 2. Question number 4 says 9 raised to power 2x plus 1 equals 81 raised to power x minus 2 divided by 3 raised to power x. Now, in order to solve this, we need to rewrite all these base numbers to look alike. And the smallest of them is 3 raised to power x. We can write 81 as 3 raised to power 4. We can write 9 as 3 raised to power 2. So let's quickly do that. 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1 equals 81 is 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by x minus 2 over 3 raised to power x. So let's try to open the bracket. We have 3 raised to power 2 times 2x, 4x, 2 times plus 1 plus 2 equals 3 raised to power 4 times x, 4x, 4 times minus 2 minus 8. So let's solve this side as once, divided by 3 raised to power x. So we have 3 raised to power 4x plus 2, which is equal to, now we need to balance this place because the two of them are having the same base. So we will say 3 raised to power 4x minus 8. Whenever we have division, division is going to give us minus x. So we have 3 raised to power 4x plus 2 equals to 3 raised to power 4x minus x will give us 3x minus 8. So these two will be eliminated. So we are left with 4x plus 2 and then 3x minus 8. So now we are going to collect like times. So we have 4x minus 3x will be equal to minus 8 plus 2 on this side. When it gets there, it becomes minus 2. 4x minus 3x is going to give us x, which is equal to minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. As usual, I'm going to leave you with these two questions on the board. Solve the problems and leave your answers in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Until we meet again, have a blessed day. Thank you.